Top 100 Modern Kitchen Designs, 2023. Best Kitchen Remodeling Ideas, with top tips and tricks to renovate your house heart. Just keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe us, if you haven't already, to get inspired by the new videos. Looking to remodel your home? Make sure the heart of it looks as good as it possibly can. We're here to help. We have you covered with plenty of kitchen design ideas to inspire your next renovation. We share with you the best tips and tricks when it comes to reimagining your space. When designing a kitchen, you should prioritize needs as well as function, and then imagine a beautiful design around the working space. From finding the right combination of lighting to ensuring you have plenty of seating and storage, it's important to identify the must-have kitchen design ideas on your list before getting down to the details. Budget is also a major consideration. Researching what fits your price range will help you select the right materials and styles. Once the basics and budget are covered, you can start infusing personality into the space, from glossy backsplashes in playful designs to eye-catching drawer handles and sink faucets in the perfect metallic finish. Ahead, more of our best tips for ensuring your own kitchen remodel is a stylish success. Think about flow. Are you altering your existing space to accommodate an open floor plan? If so, think about how you want your new kitchen to function. Will your culinary area be a place where your family congregates and eats? A large kitchen island with seating is necessary, but if you want your dining space to be regularly utilized, you should think twice before spending time and money on a kitchen eatery. Another major consideration: the layout of both spaces should feel complementary and connected, not disjointed and incongruous. Create plenty of storage. You can never go wrong with added storage. There are so many new and clever kitchen storage ideas that people love to utilize, from keeping plates in large drawers at a lower level to hidden coffee bars behind doors. There are many ways to maximize space. Even in the areas behind doors, pull-outs can help with accessibility and still allow everything to be hidden. Turn up the lighting. Having a mix of styles within your space. Typically, lighting the island with pendants or multi-light chandeliers and surface-mounted lights that are flush or semi-flush help light the ceiling as well as the area below it, which makes a room feel cheerful and bright. We suggest using recessed lights, especially on a dimmer, if the kitchen is used for dining and entertaining. Under cabinet lighting is also a must. Prioritize form and function. This is especially important when it comes to the more utilitarian components of your kitchen, including your stove hood. We love how the stove hood holds its own above a subway tile backsplash, but doesn't compete with the kitchen's more interesting features, like the dark island and exposed brick beam. Elevate your hardware. hardware, and faucetry can elevate a kitchen to the next level. Warm-toned metals, such as brass, have become more common, and there's also a wonderful selection of shapes and brushed finishes to choose from. From matte black to champagne bronze, check out the selection at your local plumbing and hardware vendor to see what's available. Raynal recommends. Consider all cabinetry types. If you want cabinetry, weigh all of your options. Do all opaque iterations work for you? Or would a few glass front options, which might help kids navigate the space better, or allow you to show off your prized china collection, elevate the space? Consider the pros, accessibility, aesthetics, and the cons. Finger smudges, and constant curation, before you decide, but note that see-through window cabinets could be exactly what your existing space is missing. Add personality with a backsplash. Backsplashes are a great way to add an extra pop of personality to your space, whether you prefer a crisp, clean look, made with quartz, or something more adventurous, like a colorful glass tile. A backsplash, with a marble mosaic pattern, is often chosen to add interest and sophistication to a simpler kitchen. Choose panel-ready appliances. Another game changer in the kitchen. Panel-ready appliances, which are available through most appliance companies these days. Having an integrated look, with cabinets and appliances all blending together, makes a kitchen feel more like a room. Ranges also come in many finishes, and, in some cases, bright colors, which can add an original focal point to the room. Select the right flooring. Gone are the days of closed-off kitchens. In order to keep the kitchen feeling like it's part of the rest of the home, using the same flooring as the surrounding living areas to create a unified look. However, there are opportunities where a different flooring is preferable in a kitchen. When using a tile floor, it's nice to add underfloor heat if in a climate with cooler seasonal temps. Within floor heating, stone or ceramic tiles don't feel cold and uninviting underfoot. This is also an opportunity to add a texture or pattern to the floors that tie the rest of the design scheme together. Implement statement decor. The kitchen is such an important part of your household. It deserves a decor worthy of its valor. It may seem irrelevant to implement artwork and ostentatious decorative pieces in this particular space, but you can still liven it up with fixtures and lightings for added effect. You can create a statement with some tall bar tools around the kitchen island, and convert the space into a mini bar with a shaker and some jars of assorted ingredients. You can also use pendant lights for mood lighting for date night, or some neon lights for party time. These decor pieces are small and almost negligent unless they are in use. They are pretty much subdued, so they don't get in the way while you move around your kitchen in a hurry. But they do add an aesthetic appeal, so your kitchen looks beautiful and keeps on par with the rest of your home decor. Make a place for everything. A kitchen makeover is a perfect opportunity to redefine the functionality of your kitchen. Everything in your kitchen should have a purpose. If it doesn't, then it has no reason to be there. Choose your upper cabinets wisely to accommodate the necessities, such as plates, bowls, and everything else you need instantly. You can choose pull-out or open shelves for the lower cabinets and store the unbreakable things there. Remember to ensure that you don't store any hazardous materials, as they are easily accessible to children. Place your cooktop in a strategic location, ideally close to the dishwasher and at an appropriate distance from the sink. This way, you can make a place for the rest of your appliances in the free spaces where you can access them easily. When there is a place for everything, and everything stays in its place, your kitchen remains uncluttered and aesthetically pleasing. It also helps you maintain a smooth functionality without bumping into things while you are cooking in a hurry. Don't be shy away from adding personal touches. Do it yourself, or as we popularly refer to it as DIY, is all the rage right now. An interior designer can help you reorganize the floor plan of your kitchen and renovate it for optimum functionality. However, you can still add some personal touches to make the space more homely and tailored to you. You can ask them to install pieces of furniture or woodwork that you may have created or designed, such as a china cabinet or bar stools. You can also piece together furnishings from IKEA and paint them yourself with customized designs. Or you can even hang photo frames with pictures of your loved ones in the kitchen, because why not? These personalized features actually add character to your kitchen, making it feel more cozy and desirable. Unless, of course, you plan on flipping the piece of real estate, in which case implementing personal touches is needless. Still, you can personalize a little to add style and design to the property with subtle pieces of furniture, like the bar stools and a range hood, that appeals to your potential buyers. In the end, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, share the video with your friends, and subscribe us if you haven't already, to watch new videos.